Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to add a Tescoclub card to Apple Wallet. Now, as we can see, since we're adding a Tescoclub card to Apple Wallet, you need to have a Tescoclub card account. You also need to have an Apple device, iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad or Mac with Apple Wallet enabled. Your Apple device needs to be running iOS 11.2 or later. So let's get into the steps properly. Step 1 is to open the Tescoclub app on your device. Log into your Tescoclub card account using your username and password. Then you tap on the card tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add to Apple Wallet. You authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's password. Next, you have to review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to proceed. Then wait for the Tescoclub card to be added to your Apple Wallet. Open the Apple Wallet app on your device and verify that your Tescoclub card is listed as a card.